What is going on, everybody? It's your man Micah back with Versatile Productions, back here to talk about the Galaxy Watch 4 and how we have finally got Google Assistant available for the Galaxy Watch 4 series. It's been a long time coming because you know this watch dropped summer of last year and Google probably wanting to announce the fact that they have their own Pixel watch coming and excuse you, hey Google. You know, they wanted to announce their own through their own Google I/O about the improvements of Google Assistant, their Pixel watch and everything, and didn't want to, I guess they probably didn't want to completely make it seem like or insinuate that they're really only pushing their product through Samsung. So they wanted to wait and make sure Google Assistant probably worked properly with Wear OS and the Galaxy Watch 4 series, but also they wanted to announce the fact that they got their own watch coming that will have Google Assistant integrated, and now the Galaxy Watch 4 is more of a showcase of Google Assistant, something that we can look forward to when the Pixel watch drops. So it's not too hard to set up. You're gonna need your phone. You're gonna need, of course, your watch, and the first place you're gonna start with activating it is on your watch. So if you guys want to watch this video right here that I'll pull up. All right, here we are. So we got the watch right here, right? So if we click this and we swipe up to bring up the Play Store, we'll see, we have to open this. Now I already have Assistant pulled up here, but Assistant, if we go back, we're gonna scroll throughout all this here. We're gonna go to My Apps on the Galaxy Watch 4. And then you're gonna see recently updated or Google Assistant needs an update. And you'll click on it, and then you're gonna see open. Once you click on open, it's gonna want you to open via your watch. I mean your phone. And in this case, I already have it set up, right? Once you hit open on your Galaxy Watch 4, it's going to ask you to open your phone up to bring Assistant up to then connect it to the watch and basically fully sync it. So once you do that, you'll probably tap the option to open up on your phone. Then your phone will pop up Google Assistant. Then it's going to show and see that Google Assistant is ready on your watch. And all you have to do is basically reset up Google Assistant like you set it up on your phone, which is through your voice match and all that fun jazz. Then it's gonna sync, and then once you set, then it's gonna ask you towards the end to say the phrase, the famous Google phrase. And once you do that, you'll see Google Assistant pop up on the Galaxy Watch 4. Now, if you want to access, let me make sure you know nothing needs updating. Now, if you want to access, Google Assistant on the watch, it's actually not hard. All you have to do is, if you use if you use Samsung's Bixby on your Galaxy Watch 4, you'll know that if you press and hold the home button, it will bring up Bixby. Well, now once you set up Google Assistant, it replaces Bixby with Google Assistant. So pressing and holding the home button activates Google Assistant. Now, of course, mine's already activated. No. No. So now you can also say, "Hey Google," and you'll see it pops up everywhere. And now which is nice, it kind of pops up on the watch as opposed to your phone. So that's also pretty good. Now, I believe you can set it up in settings to then activate with the home button. So if we go into how about we swipe down, go to settings, because you can have it with the press and hold. I just have to see if we can find it. And if we go to advanced features, customize keys, double press and hold, wake Bixby, right? Yep. You can change that. Now I do like Bixby. I'm not like Bixby is really good for quick on the fly, on system or onboard functionality, set timers, this and the third, but Assistant is probably just as good. So now that I have done that, now you see Google Assistant pop up, and wow. So let's try the phrase. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Ooh, okay, so it does work just as fast. Now let's compare that with Okay. So now let's compare that with Bixby real quick. So I come back in here and I go to customize keys. Then I'm gonna click on, well, I'm gonna change it to Wake Bixby. And now if I do it, set a timer for 10 minutes. Now it appears that Bixby is a little bit faster. Maybe Google Assistant needs another optimization update, or maybe because that was its first run. So we're gonna try it again. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's just definitely slower. So that's something that you could keep in mind when switching between Bixby and Assistant, is certain onboard functionality is just gonna move faster with Bixby than Google Assistant. But I'm sure with another update to Assistant, it could be just as fast as Bixby. So keep that in mind when you activate and therefore launch Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch 4. Hopefully you guys appreciate the video. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Are you excited to have Assistant on your wrist now? Did it matter to you? Did you forget the feature was even coming to the Galaxy Watch 4 series? Are you excited to see how it plays out on the Pixel Watch, where I'm sure it will probably be faster there? Let me know down in the comment section below. And also let me know if this tutorial did help you out in the long run. I know I couldn't show you on the phone because mine was already set up and I didn't want to try to clear data and all that type of stuff. Just walking you through, it's very simple. You start on your watch, it ends up on your phone, reverts you back to the watch. Very quick and simple, painless, probably a minute or two at most to set up. So let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful. But again, as always, if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys can like the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that way you notice my videos, so we can sit back, chillax, see what's cracking. It's your man Micah signing out until the next video. Hey Google, it's morphin' time. Wait for